Bye, Ashy. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a thrift with us because I'm about to go meet my friend Megan. We're about to go thrifting in Waldorf, which could be successful, could possibly not. But we're just gonna hope for the best, and I'm claiming that it'll be a successful trip and we'll find a lot of good stuff for a really cheap price. Today's goals are those little grandpa sweater thing, a leather jacket, some really cool shoes of some kind that are really cheap, and some cool jeans or corduroy pants. But first, let's get the playlist on. Dang it, wait, yeah. Hey guys. This is my best friend, Megan. Hey, so literally, yeah, let's do it this way. Hey guys, friend Megan, and we're going. Hi, how are you? Good. Today, okay, forget it. We'll do this intro after. Why is it so quiet in here? Oh my god, y'all don't have music? I look so sweaty, bro.
I always look oily, so I'm used to it.
But yeah, I got like 3 sweaters for $15 and a pair of jeans. How much was yours?
I think it was like $6 or $7. I'm not even thirsty. Sponsor us.
Right?
Sponsor us.
Anyways, we'll do a haul at the end.
Yeah, at the end.
But we still have like 4 more places to go. Wait, in the mall too. What time does the mall even close?
7
p.m. Okay. Oh wait, what time is it now? 5?
5.
Yeah. Okay. I knew you thought it was. I used to hide in the clothes.
Yo, I used to do that too.
See?
My mom would be like, get out.
I know, my mom would snatch me so quick. I'd be like, girl, go home. Just kidding. You're my ride, so.
You're my ride.
The moon is kind of like. Alright, everyone, we're back, and I spent $15. So I got this crew neck. It's like a maroon color. I'm kind of into it, obviously. That's why I bought it. But I think it's really cozy. Needs a hefty wash. But
I need a heavy wash.
We got this. Oh, ambiance. Oh. Anyways, so thumb down.
Wait, hold on.
So this sweater, it's like a grandpa sweater, and it's really cute. I think it'll be cute tucked into some jeans, as one does. And then I got another sweater, which is pretty boring. It's a brown color. I don't really know how I'm gonna wear it yet. It feels kind of itchy, but maybe after a nice wash, it'll be soft. We're just gonna hope for that.
I have you washing.
I feel it on my hands. Honestly, we have this. It's a men's pair of jeans, actually, now that I'm thinking about it.
Is it really?
I think it is.
And that's okay.
And that's okay because we're going for the mom jeans look. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it in like so, and then it'll be more of like a cinched waist with like wide legs. So then with a certain pair of shoes, like Fila's. Is it Fila's? Like Fila's. Like, am I supposed to put more emphasis on it?
Have you ever heard anyone say Fila's?
I'm just asking.
It's obviously Fila's. You're not saying anything, Claire.
Come here, Claire.
How big you think?
I know her breath. I know how many. So it's the next day, and I realized we didn't get Megan's haul in the video. And what do we have here?
This is a shirt that I got.
Okay. So we have a little brown stripe
rugby t-shirt.
Okay.
A little short on me, but like I'm just a tall mother.
Okay, that's okay. It's cute. So that's literally
That's
about it for you. Okay, my mom just came in my room to try to help me figure out how to sew these jeans, and she knows how to sew, but I was like, no, like I want to do it. So I have these pins and I'm gonna try to pin them into my jeans and sew them. I put the pins in, just like my mom said, in a little kind of diagonal triangle kind of thing. I'll show you guys how it looks from out here, and the jeans will be more of like this. This is how it looks. It's actually pretty bad, but since it's on the inside, I don't really care. But because it's jean, it was so hard to get the sewing needle through, but we're just gonna try it on and see what it looks like. Besides how the stitches look, they fit really well now, so. I changed my top so you guys could kind of get a better idea of the jeans. I actually really like them. It literally took me like 20 minutes, which isn't bad. It just felt like a lot because when you're like shredding with your scissors, as you saw in the last clip, it feels like a lot. Okay, that's that. That is the end of my thrift with us -- thrift haul -- thrift flip video. Thanks Megan for stopping by. I think that's about it. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Anything else? No, I think that's it. Okay, bye.